our new revolutionary design here, which we're able to realize the human hand not being a flat object. This device is contoured to fit very nicely and comfortable into your hand itself. We wanted to create a device that was very seamless, balanced, and we wanted to create a design that was very approachable to the consumer. Here you have your camera. It's a 10 megapixel camera with our clear pixel technology. So our pixels in the device are actually 27% larger than 13 megapixel cameras that are out on the marketplace today. We have our flash here. Right here you have our micro USB port and the 3.5 millimeter headset jack on the device itself, along with our 2 megapixel front facing camera as well.
I'll get it. Thank you.
I think we've got it. I think we've got to go back.
All right. So we have some amazing experiences, and this device is truly all about the experiences as well. So first of which is the idea that you can operate this device, and the device responds to you. So using touchless control, I can say things like, "Okay, Google now, who is Michael Jordan?"
According to Wikipedia, Michael Jeffrey Jordan, also known by his initials, MJ, is an
And
American
leveraging Google
former
Now,
professional
you can see
basketball player,
that
entrepreneur, and
it pulls up
majority
that
owner
relevant
and chairman of the
information.
Charlotte Bobcats.
Now what's also really neat is if I say, "Okay, Google now, how tall is he?"
Michael Jordan is 6 feet 6 inches tall.
So keeping in that same contextual subject matter, you can leverage that. But we think that there's just so many different applications of this, one of which being in a car. So for instance, if I'm driving and the phone's sitting in my cup holder, I could simply say, "Okay, Google now, navigate to Battery Park."
Navigating to Battery Park.
And it'll navigate for you. So it's truly ready to respond to your commands. We also have a great feature that allows us to leverage our X8 mobile computing technology, and it's our active display with active notifications. So we've done a lot of consumer research that shows that in any given day, a consumer lights up their phone screen upwards between 50 and 100 times, about 60 times in a day, for just a few seconds. And realizing that there's really two main reasons why they're doing this. And first of which is they simply want to know what time it is. And second of which, they're just addicted to that flashing light. But that flashing light really gives no data behind that. So what we're able to do is create this technology, which are active notifications on our active display. And you can see that the device itself has this living, breathing quality to it, where it's delivering those notifications to the forefront of the screen. Now what's great is we have a mode called peak mode. So if you want to see the text message, say you're sitting in a conference room, phone's on the table, you can simply press and hold and read the quick text message and let go. Now if I want to quickly respond to that message, I have that option as well. So the device simply slide up and it'll launch the text messaging application, and I can respond in that application right there on the device. And that's for our active notifications and display. And then keeping in that same theme of responsiveness, we wanted to ensure that to the end consumer, they really care about being able to capture their moments very quickly. So we were able to reduce what we call pocket to pick time. So the time it takes for you to pull that phone out of your pocket, light up the camera imager, and snap that photo. The fastest you can do that today is somewhere between, I'd say, 5 to 10 seconds. We were able to get that down to around 2 seconds through a combination of a couple different things. And first of which is our gesture-based approach to launching the camera. So simply by turning the doorknob or turning a screwdriver, you can see simply that gesture allows you to launch the imager application, the camera imager. Now, what you can also do, and I think there's a really great ease of use story here as well, is that using one hand I can zoom in or zoom out. The device is auto-focusing, and amazingly you can touch anywhere on the screen to snap that photo. So simply, again, up, down to zoom. If I press and hold, I'm taking multiple shots as well. If I want to review those images, I simply have to slide over to the right and I can review the image. slide back over to the left to launch the imager, and a left again, I can activate different features. So we'll have touch to focus if a consumer wants to activate that, slow motion video, and panoramic mode as well. So the Moto X is going to be available in late August, early September in the US, Latin America, and Canada, and the suggested retail price for the 2-year agreement is $199.